Drugs for avian coccidiosis. Outline. What is avian coccidiosis and what are the strategies of treatment? Anticoccidial drugs, vaccines, and natural alternatives. What is avian coccidiosis? Avian coccidiosis is one of the most prevalent diseases in poultry breeds, mainly caused by various species of Eimeria, which affects parasites in the intestine. In poultry, it affects growth rate, body weight, egg production, and characterized by anorexia, hemorrhagic diarrhea, high morbidity, and mortality. Life cycle. Eimeria oocysts are ingested by chickens from its environment when parasites infect their intestines. Oocysts are formed again when released, as later then begin another cycle. Strategies of treatment. Anticoccidial drugs, vaccines, and natural alternatives. Chemotherapy. Quinolone and paridones. Inhibition of parasite mitochondrial respiration. Sulfonamides is the inhibition of folic pathways. Amprolium is the competitive inhibition of thiamine uptake. And lastly, nicarbizine is the inhibition of the development of the first and second generation of the schizone stage of the parasites. Live non-attenuated vaccines. Examples are Coccivac, Advent, Amucox, and Inovocox. This may also develop severe reaction in birds. Live attenuated vaccines. Examples are Paracox, Avant, and Hatchback coccili has a low risk of disease occurring because of the reduction in the proliferation of parasites and consequently a less damage in bird's tissue. Fats. Fish or flax seed fatty acids may the severity of Legionella infections in young broiler chicks. Essential oils. Essential oils destroy most resistant structure of Eimeria and the oocyst, which results reduce the dispersion and risk of infection. The use of oils from Artemisia, thyme, tea tree, and clove showed a clear destruction of oocyst after 3 hours of treatment and a LC50 1 mg or ml of oocyst. Plant compounds. Phytocompounds of some plants inhibit sporogony and meragony stages. These plants varies from organic extracts such as ethanol, petroleum ether, and acetone extracts, brown powder, essential oils, and decoction. The parameters measured to evaluate efficiency of anticoccidial compounds are body weight gain, oocyst count, feed consumption, session scores, bodily diarrhea, and mortality. And that will be all for the drugs for avian coccidiosis. Thank you.